severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Allegheny County in northwestern North Carolina, southwestern Surrey County in northwestern North Carolina, eastern Wilkes County in northwestern North Carolina, northwestern Yadkin County in northwestern North Carolina until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Warren River near Overloader, moving southeast at 5 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Intact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include North Wilkesboro, Elkin, Jonesville, Boonville, Rhonda, Trap Hill, and Windy Gap. The National Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Allegheny.
Well, suppose this here isn't my only radio to be used for WNG588, but also alongside this radio, RadioShack 12-254, my Midland WR-120, and I usually have it on KHC27 as its primary station, but I want to try it out to see how good it would get WNG588 for one alert. In this case, a severe thunderstorm warning. And that it did good for its first try of the station.